Are you concerned about the rising rates of obesity and chronic disease affecting our children and adults? Well, you're not alone. As a virtual speaker, veteran, author, podcast host, trainer, and wellness coach, I've dedicated my career to helping individuals and communities like yours take control of their health and well-being. Totally accessible online. Hi, I'm Vince Ferguson, president of Body Scope of New York and 6 Weeks of Fitness. I understand the challenges between busy schedules, conflicting information, and the constant barrage of unhealthy temptations. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. My virtual speaking engagements brings the expertise and motivation directly to your audience, no matter where they are located. But here's what I offer. My inspiring and informative online presentations are tailored to your audience, covering topics like nutrition, fitness, mental health, stress management, and healthy habits. Our bodies are like cars. If you don't take care of your car, it will eventually break down and you will need to have it repaired or even buy a new one. It's the same with our bodies, except you can't go out and buy a new body, but we can prevent it from breaking down. I believe I bring a unique perspective, drawing on my experiences as a veteran, my over 30 years of community service, working with thousands of families, and my passion for health and wellness. I also provide Q&A sessions to ensure audience participation and comprehension. I offer flexible scheduling. My virtual presentations offer maximum flexibility, fitting seamlessly into your existing schedule and eliminating travel costs and logistical challenges. I offer customized content. I work with you to develop presentations that address the specific needs and interests of your community. I offer cost-effective solutions. Virtual speaking engagements often provide a more budget-friendly option compared to in-person events. In other words, basically a much friendlier budget, easier on your pocket. What are the benefits, though, for your community that I am offering? Well, number one benefit, improved health outcomes, reduced risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. So many people are not aware of the steps they can take to start living a healthier life. For instance, did you know that not eating 3 to 4 hours before going to bed can help you to lose weight? Well, it can. You see, your metabolism slows down at night, and eating before bedtime forces your body to digest food when it's least efficient to do so, meaning you will store extra calories as fat, and you are loading your body up with fuel that doesn't have the capacity or time to burn. This one tip has helped me and countless others. It will help you lose weight, especially around the midsection, which is the worst place to carry fat. But did you also know that strength training exercises, such as weight training, push-ups, crunches, squats, lunges, pull-ups, not only helps to build lean muscle, and you know lean muscle helps you to burn fat more efficiently, but it can also help reduce your blood sugar levels. Not many people know this, but I would bring this and much more information to your community. Your community will have an opportunity to join my free 6 Weeks of Fitness school community. This is my online community platform where participants interact and support each other's goals with health and wellness, fitness, whatever goals they have. So even after I present to your organization, to your group, your community will still have access to me and others to help them along this fitness journey. You'll also get increased energy and productivity. Guarantee that a healthier community is a more vibrant and productive community, even when connecting virtually. I've done so many virtual programs, and the testimonials that you'll find on my website has been phenomenal. You also get enhanced mental and emotional well-being. Wellness is more than just about physical health, but it's mental health, feeling good inside and out, something that can be fostered even in a digital environment. You get accessibility, Virtual events make wellness information accessible to a wider audience, regardless of location or physical limitations. So let's work together, you and I, to create a healthier future for your community virtually. Contact me today for a free consultation to discuss your needs and how my virtual speaking services can make a difference. In the comment section below this video, you'll see a copy of my electronic press kit for your review. For more information on my work, visit my websites that's on the screen. And you can also email me at vince@6weeks.com with any questions you might have, or you can call me directly at 917-523-7379. And remember, we don't stop exercising because we grow old. We grow old because we stop exercising. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care.